Chapter 10 Doing Words. Learn with me, adding s or es to doing words. After singular nouns or pronouns he, she, it, we add s or es to the doing words. After plural noun or pronouns we, they, I, you, we do not add s or es. Read these sentences. Joy eats bananas for breakfast. Children read comics for fun. Mrs. Tripti works in a school. She teaches English. We go on a picnic during holidays. I, we, you, they go to school every day, play in the park every evening. He, she, it goes to bed every night, does the work every day. Learn with me. Negative sentences. We add not after M is R to make a sentence negative. For example, I am reading, I am not reading. It is a sunny day, it is not a sunny day. The girls are playing, the girls are not playing. Learn with me. Question sentences. We make question like this. 1. I am a strong boy. Am I a strong boy? 2. You are reading. Are you reading? 3. The girl is crying. Is the girl crying? Learn with me. M is R plus ing. Sometimes we talk about actions that are going on at the moment of speaking. These actions are called present continuous action. I am eating. We, you, they are eating. He, she, it is eating. In case we use being word M is R and add ing to the doing word. Doing words are called verbs. Is M R are called helping verb.